Hey peeps, just a quick video of some of my knives. This is probably the most expensive knife I have. It is a Smith and Wesson, of course, model 6030, and it's just a really, got something on it there, really gorgeous knife, mirror polished. It's got that Smith and Wesson emblem. I don't know if you can see that. It's got Smith and Wesson on the blade. I cleaned this up quite a bit. It's actually a survival knife. It's a real wood handle, but it's hollow, and you can take that off. And it is made in the USA, and you can take this off and put stuff in it. This is a sheath that goes with it. It's also a Smith and Wesson sheath. Got the blade protector that goes with it, and the warranty card that hasn't been filled out. So yeah, this is an awesome knife. It's also very sharp. I need to clean it a little bit, but I did sharpen it. I have a lot of Smith and Wesson stuff. This one I just got. It's like a big honking Bowie knife, almost a machete. I don't know, I guess you could probably use it as a machete. A limited issue. There's the Smith and Wesson sheath that goes with it. Limited issue Smith and Wesson Texas Hold'em. And I sharpened it too. It's very sharp. But I haven't cleaned it up really. Yeah, I might actually hang on to that one. Let's see. Got Smith & Wesson model 630, made in the USA. You can see that I polished the blade up. Smith & Wesson. Made in USA. Got this one. This is a Stuart A. Taylor collection buffalo horn hunting series knife. I really like it. It's real solid in your hand, and I finally found a sheath for it. Fits it perfectly. So that's good. Got the Maverick right here. USA stainless, Smith & Wesson. It's got a pretty good edge on it. And a good, pouch, belt pouch. Got a couple of the American series knives. Got this Smith & Wesson model 6084 stainless USA. It's got a pretty good polish on it, and it's got a good edge. Keeps a good edge. There's the sheath for it. And here's the 6085. This one is pretty polished up, cleaned it up. It does not have the Smith & Wesson lettering on it. I think it's a 6084, but it's the exact same blade and everything. It just doesn't have the Smith & Wesson lettering on it. And the sheath is darker. Maybe they just used a different kind of leather or tanned it differently or whatever, compared to the lighter one. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Enjoy.